How to fix Facebook disabled account 2023. On this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So now and first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this, scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back. Click on first stop and click OK. And now guys, you have to go to this option here, set as a default. As you see, open supported links, you have to allow it like this, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.